Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I brought out my Master Lock collection because I have a new Master Lock that I wanted to pick for you guys today, and obviously since the last time I brought these out I have a few more Master Locks that I've acquired, but and there's some of them that I'm still working on, but anyway, so for today I have this one that I want to show and pick, and let's get zoomed in. So this guy is 40 millimeters, nice little closed shackle padlock, but the biggest difference with this one is that it is a dimple lock. So there we go. As you can see, it is, that's kind of weird, but anyway, yeah, it is a dimple lock, and here are the keys, and there are 5 pins in it. Looks like a really low lift one and high lifts there in there, but it does work really well. No, the shackle is not sprung and the cord is not sprung. So anyway, so let's get this picked, but yes, I do have my dimple picks here, but I'm not going to be using those. I'm going to be using my Jimmy Long's flat hook, or short hook with the flat tip, just like I have with almost all my other Master Locks. I kind of use the same picking tool, same tensioner, and I can pretty much get into all these Master Locks. So anyway, let's get this thing picked using the Jimmy Long short hook. So we'll tension that just like a normal dimple lock would be, just there, and we'll just start on pin 1 and kind of get that one picked, because I believe the way that I'm filling the pins in this, pin 1 is a standard, and I believe the rest of them are actually spools and security pins. So let's just work on each one. Hopefully you guys can see. It's kind of hard to see, my fingers are all wrapped around it and stuff, but anyway. Okay, now I'm trying to work under the pin. Come on. There we go. Pick that one. Next pin. There we go. Hardest part is working under the pins. It's a little different than a regular dimple pick, obviously. Okay, I think I got that. Now I'm kind of missing something, so let's find out. Let's come back out and see what I'm missing. Okay. It's always funny how these locks get camera shy. It seemed so easy when I first did this. Okay, come on, where are you? Come on. Okay, come on. Coax it into opening, right? Okay, let's see. Well, if in doubt, let's reset. And we'll work the key just to make sure everything's working okay still. Okay, let's do this again. It's not quite working right. Just reset. Okay, pin 1. Feels like that went. Kind of a subtle click. Pin 2. Pin 3. Four, 5, okay, come on. Didn't even feel any movement on the core. Nope, just dropped everything. Maybe that might be a good thing. Maybe I was oversetting something. Okay, come on. There we go. Finally got something touched right, and we got it open. So there's our Dimple lock, master lock. Can't remember what model number it is, but master lock is a Dimple lock, picked open with our Jimmy Long shore hook. There's the keys. There we go. It's all picked open. So I guess third time's the charm, I guess. Anyway, well, that's all I have for you guys today. Hopefully we can get some of these other master locks that I have worked on and get those open too. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you're subscribed. You leave a like and definitely leave comments down below. Thank you everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day.